You couldn't even punch buttons on the calculator. All right. First problem. Angle B is 63 degrees.
I need to get my calculator out of the wall.
A is 26, B is 42.
Holy shit.
The directions say solve the triangles. How?
Law of science. Law of science.
Law of sine. So what do I do?
Sine of 63 over 42 equals the sine of A.
Wait, sine of 63 over 42 equals,
The sine of A over 26.
okay? So you all, my advice is to show this. So if you make a mistake putting it in your calculator, it's just a few points and not the whole problem if you mess everything up. Okay? What did we get?
3.5.
Can I ask a question? Is there just one triangle?
Oh, we think about that. No, you don't know.
We don't know. So we need to find the other angle A, don't we?
Yeah, so 180 minus 33.5.
Is what?
That would be
146.5, right? What?
There's only one triangle because if you add A and B, that's over 180.
Okay, so I don't have to worry about the second triangle.
Oh, yeah.
But you have to check.
How do you
All right.
know? How do you know when you should check? Because
Every time.
what about the law of cosines?
Law of cosines does not.
But
Oh,
sometimes
law of
you use both.
No, but if you start with law of cosines, there's what triangle. What you start with is all you worry about.
Will we ever encounter a problem where we could start with either one? Probably not.
No.
I get it. Okay.
All right, so what am I missing now? Angle C? What is that?
83.5 degrees.
And I will tell you, I will take off on the test with that if you don't have the degree sign. So
Now we need
Okay.
a little c.
now I need little c. And I get little c by saying the sine of 63 over 42 equals sine of 83.5 over c.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. That was bad.
I hear things like that almost every day.
Me too. Like once a week. I mean,
No, I hear it almost every day.
maybe every
46.9.
Is that what you all got?
6.8.
8.
46.8. How's that?
Okay, so my only question was, we canceled out the third triangle because you added.
I added A and B together and it was too big.
You added A from the third triangle to B from the what it gave us, and it was over 180, so it didn't work. Okay.
third triangle.
You see how there's like one on the left, and then we have the middle?
I knew what he was talking about. It's all
I know, I'm
good.
telling him. There's supposedly 3 triangles.
3 triangles.
Alright.
There's only one.
Angle A is 78 degrees. Side A is 4, side B is 18. How would I solve the triangle?
Law of sines.
Law of sines, okay?
Sine 78 over 4 triangle we don't know. Let's just say big B over 18.
We can't, there's not a, let's just say big B. It is big B.
Let's just say here's.
Big B
You can't just guess what it is. You have to know.
equal to big B. Doesn't fit.
So what is angle B?
No triangle.
No triangle?
I think that's
That's the most perfect triangle I've ever seen.
whoa.
That's so cool.
Can we check the triangles are going?
Sure. You cannot leave it blank. If you leave it blank, I assume you didn't know how to do it. You have to tell me why there's no answer there. Does that make sense? Everybody okay with that? All right, ready for another one? Okay, ready? This time, A is 17.3, B is 24.2,
Oh, I was going to say.
what were you going to say?
Thought, the two little dot things. That was like a ratio.
C is 63 degrees.
Okay, this is the ambiguous case. Correct.
Anybody else want to put what they think it is? Law of cosines. I can't use law of sines, can I?
Yes, we have to do that.
All right, so what am I going to have to find first?
63
What?
degrees.
What am I going to find first?
Sides.
Degrees. Sine C.
Side, yeah.
Side C.
Yeah.
So C squared equals 17.3 squared plus 24.2 squared minus 2 times 17.3 times 24.2 cosine 63, right?
Yeah.
I will tell you 99% of the time, if this one is wrong, it's because people use the term sine instead of cosine. Anybody agree or disagree? Agree?
Yeah.
C is 22.5.
Yeah.
Now, what do I need to find?
Okay.
Angle A.
Sines, so you can use angle A. Angle A because it is the smaller of the two.
Angle A. So the sine of A over 17.3 equals the sine of 63 over 22.5. What is angle A?
43.2.
43.2.
You want to add something to that?
The degree sign.
Degrees. And I'm going to say that over and over today, hoping that will help you remember tomorrow. That's okay, but I'm just making sure. Now what are we missing?
Angle B.
Angle to big B.
Subtract them.
I know you're not paying attention, but I need your full attention. Thank you. What is it?
73.8 degrees.
73.8 degrees. Is that okay? All right. Let's do another one. I'm just gonna throw them at you and see how you do, okay? So if I throw one out there you get stuck on, speak up.
Will do.
We're doing okay so far?
So then this topic, you mentioned something earlier about like an ambiguous case. What's that?
I mentioned
I
that.
forgot completely what it is.
That's what I said. I don't think I said ambiguous case, but it was said.
It was.
Ambiguous case is when there's two triangles.
So,
A is 26 degrees. A is 8. And B is 10.
Do the signs.
Law signs?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What do I have?
26 over 8 equals sine bigger B over sine smaller B.
No,
10.
no. It better not be oversigned something.
Okay, yeah, my bad. I was just kind of going crazy.
That's
33.2
Yes.
degrees.
Yes.
Uh,
What?
yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What?
That's what I was going to say.
we got
You have to find the second possibility
Two.
every time. If you're finding an angle off law of sines, you have to find that second possibility. Okay?
I'll see.
What?
33.2
Mm-hmm.
plus 26 is 59.2.
Exactly.
180 minus 59.2
why would you guys really not want
to find.
you do one
To find this angle, I do 180 minus
Oh,
this.
you're finding B. Okay, I was looking for.
See?
Wait.
What do you have for angle C, Hayden?
Oh, for C I have 120.8.
Is that right?
Sorry, I was going after the wrong thing.
146.
I took 180 minus this one.
And it could also be 7.2 degrees.
Good job.
Thanks.
Guys, you have got to remember to hunt that second triangle. If it can be found, okay. However, you cannot find it for Tara. You can only find it for Griffin.
Unless
He says just hunt it until he finds it. He can't find it for you.
How
Tara
how
hates
did
me
you
so
get
much.
7.2 degrees on C?
Tara can find it herself. What is side C?
Oh, now we do the sine thing. Okay, so we got a sine 120.
Both sides.
Yes, and you have to tell me both of them. 19.6 and what?
2.1.
9. 9. Haven't guessed it in like the same exact ones, too.
not like. But if you, I think it's 19.6 on the side. I got 15.7, 2.3. I can't tell what I did wrong.
You got this? No?
15.7 and 2.3.
Oh no.
What'd you do, Luke?
I don't know what I did.
It's your, did you forget to do the
15.7 and 2.3? Is that what you had? Good.
Good job, Garrett.
Yeah,
So you just did,
I know.
to find that C, you did sine of 26 over 8 equals sine of 7.2 over C?
No.
For this one?
Yes.
Yes.
7.2 over C?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
For the other one, I did sine of 26 over 8 equals sine of 120.8 over C.
I don't like
Well, okay, but I'm just kind of making sure you know how to do it. There might be a reason.
Something was made in France. Now we don't like them.
Hmm?
you did.
On this table, what do you have
I almost did 26. Thank you.
I have a question. Has that little close, like that little red thing in the corner always been there?
No.
What red?
Okay, I knew something's new.
What red? Blue. Yeah, it's a new update.
I know.
All right. Ready for another one?
Forward.
Okay.
Griffin, we've been over this.
Oh, this, you weren't born.
I think you were hatched.
Life is still another one right after the last people my whole life would be like.
Don't even go there.
If you ever meet me in your life, can you be friends with me?
I don't know. I think in this life something show me what not to do. Just be friends with yours. Oh, we gotta use the cosine law.
Law cosines, and what are we going to find?
We're gonna find the answer.
Angle C. So 31 squared equals 42 squared plus 66 squared minus 2 times 42 times 66 cosine of C.
Call it.
So you subtract 42 squared and 66 squared to the other side, divide that by -2 times 42 times 66, which gives you cosine
No.
of C.
And then arc cosine that.
Do you have an answer?
Don't
I do
forget
21
arc
plus 5
cosine.
I don't know. Yes? C is 21.5 degrees. Now what am I going to do?
Law signs.
Before we do law of sines, do I have to check for another triangle?
No.
Yeah, no, because it's cosine.
No, because it's law of cosines. Okay? So I want to find what? The sine of 21.5 over 31 equals of A over
42.
42.
My dad's 42.
My dad's 40. 41.
Your dad looks way younger than my dad.
Really?
My dad
Wait,
just
what's
has
the date
a
today?
big skull.
Is it the
Are you sure it wasn't your dad's birthday?
yeah, it's 10:05 ish.
It's my brother's birthday.
My grandpa and your dad have the same birthday.
Yeah.
Wayman's?
For 10?
Yeah.
For sure. Maybe it's my aunt's. I think it's my aunt.
What is A?
It's my aunt, my newborn cousin. Not newborn, a year ago.
It's what?
I was 16 years old.
29.7?
So
And don't forget degrees.
I think that what you're wearing right now is my favorite outfit on you.
So B is
Harrison.
108.8 degrees.
Can we only talk about math for a minute, please? Thank you.
So B is 128.8.
B is 128.8 degrees, right? 0.7.
Ow.
Oh, it better be 0.7, because what do they have to add up to?
Do 100 even.
No, 180 even. All right.
All right. Somebody tell me how that was wrong.
Around 29.
You rounded 29.7 to 28. Yeah.
29.7 plus 21.5.
This is 28.
Oh no. Look at the moons up in here.
millimeters.
Okay, the directions on this say find the area of the triangle. You are given this.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot about this.
You were given this. You were not given what S is. Somebody know what S is?
Okay.
1/2.
Yeah.
I think it's 1/2 A plus B plus C.
What? So my area is the square root of 69.5 times 69.5 minus 47 times 69.5 minus 32 times 69.5 minus 60, right?
Yeah. Let me just type that into my.
If you write that down and then make a mistake putting it in your calculator, you still get partial credit. If you just put it in your calculator and miss something, it would be all wrong. So
So
take that into consideration.
There's 9.5 there.
746 times 4 millimeters squared.
Yeah.
It's how much?
746.
Is that what you all got?
that's what I got.
Henry's rooted square.
746.4 millimeters squared. You have to label your answer,
Hertz.
right? Everybody okay with what to expect tomorrow?
Yeah.